is butter and honey inside, and I'm adding the eggs with sugar into it, and then we're gonna heat it up. So this is here, we're heating it up, warming it up until it's almost boiling and all the butter and honey are dissolved. You can see I'm not stopping to mix it. You see it's almost boiled. I'm taking it out from the fire and adding soda, 3.5 teaspoons, with a little bit of salt, and I'm mixing it. It will go up, or the mixture will go up. So I'm just mixing it and leaving it here, and we will prepare the dough. Now I have her flour with cacao, and I will add the mixture of eggs with butter and honey into it, and I will mix the dough just like this. So here it is. I'm just mixing it. I'll show you the final. No any mixer, just by hand like this. Just put it on a working area and starting the mixing the dough by arm. So the dough is very soft. I'm not adding any flour. It's enough, I think. Now we have to divide it approximately on 9 parts, approximately. So I'm dividing by 3 and then by 3. If it's a little bit bigger, doing 9 of these. As you see, I have already prepared papers, so it's easier. Then you will insert it into the oven. And then each of them need to be done with a fork. You have to do, because otherwise it will go up too much and we don't want it. Don't worry about the shape. We're gonna cut it after, if it will be ready. We're gonna cut it to the straight, round, nice and beautiful shape. I'll show it. So you repeat the same thing with 9 parts. Yeah, that's it. These to the oven. I'm using convection mode 1990 Celsius. 4.5 minutes. So I'm putting it for 5 minutes, and when it's starting beeping, then in a minute it will finish. I'm taking them out. They are ready. So that's it. Putting timer. 5 minutes. Start. That's it. All these leftovers, I'm gonna use them after. Okay, I'm gonna put it beside. I'm using it with the paper. Okay, no sugar added, just adding the sour cherries to get rid of the water later on. Water, putting the fruits back, just wiping a little bit, and that's it. Putting it back. Going the sugar. Wait, on the sugar, and preparing our corn starch. It has to be melted with water. I put it boiled, but I'm not sure if we actually need the boiled. Maybe we don't need boiled for this. It has to be liquid when you're adding it to the fruits after.
Mix the sugar.
Yeah, the sugar should be dissolved, and only after we will add the cornstarch. It's boiling. adding the cornstarch. And mixing it. And we're cooking it until it becomes like a jam. That's it. Jam is ready. We're turning off the gas and letting it cool. And in the meantime, we will prepare the cream. That's it. And the whipped cream and sugar all together in the same. As you can see, the sour cream, it's very, it's not like regular one, and it tastes different one. And then you start just the cream with it. That's it. Gonna be a little bit noisy now.
First, third, fifth, ninth.
First, fifths, and ninths, we're putting the jam. So we have to divide the jam into 3 parts, approximately. So we're put the first part.
How do you call this scheme?
Jam.
No, like what's under?
Layers, cake layers.
Like cake layers.
That's the first one. Now we're putting the next one.
Cream.
You have to count, hey?
Oh,
Because this is the second, because we have to put it on the fifth after.
okay.
This is, you see how the cream became? It's really nice. I like to put it like this. You have to have enough cream for each layer. Otherwise, the cake will be dry. So this is the cake. We're gonna put it in the fridge. And then tomorrow morning decorate with these leftovers of to make the crumbs. So we're putting it in the food processor. This is how it's come out. Now we'll decorate the cake. So we have to release the cake. And I have your paper to put the cake on. Now removing all the wrapping from the cake and transferring to the form. The cake is in place and we're just starting to decorate it. This is on top and this is how we actually putting it on the side. The paper beside will keep our cake clean after the decorating around it. I'll continue and we'll show you the end of it. This is the cake. I'm gonna cut it to show you how it becomes inside.
То, что я твой, не значит, что я не мамин и не месяц. Но я твой. Ты? Да. Да, это послушай.